DJM TV.
Anticipation and our will to have Oduduwa nation. We want to disengage from Nigeria. We are here as a group called Yoruba One Nation, Yoruba One Voice. We are the descendants of Oduduwa. We are here to sensitize you on the fact that we want our own nation, which is Oduduwa nation. We want to let you know that we cannot be fooled again on restructuring because it has never worked. Oduduwa Republic remains our mandate. We are tired of a contraption called Nigeria. We can no longer be citizens of a country that ISIS has made is inhabitable. Presently, Nigeria is ranked among the top 3 most terrorized nations in the world. We cannot, I repeat, we can no longer be slaves in our father's land. We need Oduduwa Republic now. We need Oduduwa Republic now. We need Oduduwa Republic now. We can no longer be citizens of a country where insecurity, nepotism, corruption, and unstable policies are the highest order. We believe that the current exercise to amend the Nigerian Constitution is a needless, irresponsible, superstitious gambit to distract us from our agitation for self-determination. Nigeria is operating a flawed constitution that nullifies the aspirations of many major ethnic groups in the country, especially the Southwest. Wrong census figures is the order of the day, which makes a particular area to have more legislators in the House of Assembly, and in a situation whereby a constitution needs 2/3 majority. What do we expect to happen in such an assembly? We will no longer be a part. We will, I repeat, we will not be a part of another charade called 2023 federal elections. The present situation of Nigeria has degenerated so much that it is frightening. Abduction, gruesome killings, rape, both children, adults, and elderly women, beheadings, parts of human beings are being cut on the road and spread apart on the road, and the president remains unmoved. We are dying in numbers. The president cannot come out and address us. No, we don't want to be part of Nigeria again. We want Oduduwa nation. We want Oduduwa nation. The security system in Nigeria has degenerated so much now that it is the private vigilantes that are saving the policemen from the hands of kidnappers. Can you believe that? The police are supposed to save the citizens from terrorists and kidnappers, but it is the other way around. Now the citizens are the ones saving the police, the soldiers from the hands of kidnappers. No, we don't want to be part of that system again. We want Oduduwa nation. We want Oduduwa nation. Imagine the Nigerian government reabsorbing terrorists. Imagine the government reabsorbing the language they use is repentant terrorists back into the security system of Nigeria to protect who? To protect us. No, we don't want to be part of it again. We want Oduduwa Nation. We want Oduduwa Nation. With all this being said, we want you to realize one thing, that the amalgamation treaty signed by the Britain in 1914 is no longer acceptable. It is obsolete. We want Nigeria divided and to let us go. Our children, our families are no longer safe in the hands of the Nigerian security system. Too much killings, too much fraud. We cannot stand it again. We want Oduduwa Nation. We want Oduduwa Nation. We are at this junction saying it loud and clear to you, the ambassadors of Nigeria here, and to the United Nations.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates are asked the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.